What's up guys, Sal here. So here it is. Here are the hands-on videos of all devices that Samsung is launching at the Unpacked event today. That includes the Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the Galaxy Buds Live, the Galaxy Watch 3, and of course the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus. First up, let's talk about the main event, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung's big Unpacked event today is going to reveal a pair of stylus-toting phablet flagships, the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, promising more S Pen functionality, better cameras, and all the productivity that Note loyalists rely on. More screens, small bezels, a more manageable phone. Samsung isn't exactly bucking industry trends with the design of the Note 20 Ultra. It has a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display that'll make sure to offer you the best display experience on any smartphone out there. It's also thinner than the S20 Ultra, which means it's gonna feel good in the hand. The camera is everything the Galaxy S20 Ultra but perfected in a lot of ways. The phone will not have the autofocusing issues the S20 Ultra had. You can record videos at 120 frames per second at 1080p. Samsung is also giving option to record 21:9 videos both on 8K resolution and other standard resolutions. The 108 megapixel is the highlight, followed by the 50x zoom camera. Samsung has also teamed up with Microsoft to bring over 90 Xbox games to the Note 20 Ultra via xCloud. You need a controller to stream those games, by the way. You can also connect to DeX wirelessly this time, and you can use your phone as a trackpad on your TV or any other monitor. Samsung has also built a UWB chip inside the phone, so you can just point your device at other UWB chip enabled phone to send files to them. It's that easy. Remember a few weeks ago I told you exclusively that the S Pen can now record audio while taking notes. Turns out that was on point. You can do just that on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which will come in handy for sure. Like the S Pen on the Note 10 Plus, the new stylus can do everything the old one does, plus it will have a 9 milliseconds of latency, which means the stylus input happens instantaneously. You can also use the S Pen as a pointer, which is going to be useful at times. Now coming to the Galaxy Z Fold 2, this is going to be a game changer. Samsung has improved the Z Fold 2 significantly over its first generation. They have eliminated the big notch on the inner display and has introduced the punch hole cameras both on the inside and outside display. Speaking of which, the outside display is bigger and edge to edge compared to the smaller one on the original Fold. Here are the screen sizes, and interestingly, Samsung has decided to use a 120Hz display on the inside and 60Hz on the outside display. The cameras look like the Note 20 Ultras, but the configuration is similar to the S20 Plus. Next, the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus will follow the same design language of previous Galaxy Tab hardware, but will come with some impressive internals. Those are the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, between 6 to 8 GB of RAM and 128 to 256 GB of internal storage. 45-watt charging will also be available for super fast battery top-ups. Moving on, the Galaxy Buds Live is one of the interesting wearables I've seen so far. It has a baffling bean-shaped design, and at first I didn't like it, but it has grown on me ever since. It has active noise cancellation, something we don't have on Galaxy Buds. Samsung has also given rubber ear tips so that it doesn't fall off from your ears. Finally, the Galaxy Watch 3, Samsung has brought back the rotating bezels and skipped the Galaxy Watch 2 moniker, so that people don't think it's an inferior product since we already have the Galaxy Watch Active 2 around. It has everything the Galaxy Watch 2 Active has: the voice commands, speech to text, the upgraded health tracking features, plus the rotating bezels. Of course, with that being said, do consider subscribing for all the latest updates on smartphone tech, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.